My grandma called me that there's a package
I don't
for me.
even like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business coming out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet.
In this house, can you imagine what the package is all about?
Get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape.
Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please tap on the subscribe button to join this community. And if you are old here, you know I love you and thank you for always coming back. So today is 7th March 2025 and it's 1:19, okay, but actually the time is 1:16. So I don't know if you can see the time. My time is 3 minutes ahead of the normal time, and right now I'm going to Koforidua for a package. Okay, so we'll talk about the package when I bring it. Okay, so let me dress up and let's go. I'm going along with you guys, so let me dress up and let's go. So this is my final outfit. Okay, so
I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now.
and this is the bag. This is the tote bag I'll be using because I have my laptop in here. I have my laptop in here, and I have my charger, my tissue, my hand sanitizer. You know, I'm going to the house, so definitely I have things in the house. So I'm not going to take anything I'm going to the house. Okay. So this is my final outfit, and this is my slippers. I'm wearing. I don't want to wear anything that's not here. So this is the clothes I'll be wearing, and this is my final look.
It was magic, yeah. Smashing grabs, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming
So I went to trim my eyebrow. I don't know if you can see, but at least it's better than none. Today she didn't do well, but we'll take it that way. So let's go.
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
one I bet you be the jabata. I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man, we do the get bata. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all depends.
So I'm finally home. I think it's 6:58. So 7 o'clock. So 6:57 rather. And I'm now home. So you can see I'm not getting back. I'm really tired. So we'll meet tomorrow, okay? I'm just about to eat, change, and bath, and that is all. There's nothing in my room. So this is how my room looks from me not being here. See, my grandma washed some shoes. She's going to give it to some children. Let's ignore it. And this is how my bed looks. And that's are my things. And this is a fridge in my room. And this has a different story. Why the fridge is in my room. So it's a good night and we'll talk tomorrow. Bye. So good afternoon. Today is 8th March 2025 and this is the next day when I came to Koforidua. Okay, so I woke up around 6 and I've been busy doing some house choices and stuff. So I'm now free and I'm about to cook some jollof rice for the family. My grandmom is not around and my uncle has gone to work, so I'm the only person left in this house. Can you imagine? But that's just by the way. So I'm not taking you guys along in preparing the jollof rice, but when I'm done and I'm about to eat, I'll let you guys know and I'm going to invite you guys. Okay, I hope you still enjoyed this video. So guys, this is my compound, my grandmom's compound. Okay, so grandma loves nature, so she has a mini garden over there. And since I came here, we've never bought plantain or cassava to cook. It's always from this mini garden. Okay, and she has a well, so we don't fetch water. We pump this well into the poly tank. Okay, and this is the building. This is the building. So we are not rich though, but it's manageable. So this is my house. If you want to build a house for me, you let me know, because I want to leave this house to a new place. So this is how our place looks like. So good afternoon. It's 11:52. Okay, so as I said, my time is 3 minutes ahead of the normal time, and I'm about to leave to Echo. Okay, I'm leaving Koforidua at 12:40. I've gotten my package right now. I'm waiting for my uncle. So let's see what the package is all about. I hope you are all eager to know what is it. So don't worry, when I get to the house, yeah, I'm packing it.
looks like I give a fuck.
Russia.
Good evening.
You got a lot of things I want to get
5:30. So here is 5:30, but the actual time is 5:27, and I'm finally home. Like I'm back to a home. Can you imagine? And we have a fridge. A new member, so the family members in my room. So this is what my uncle got me, and I'm very eager to open this package because see, it's a whole package. Like because a new member, so we cut this. So we are going to cast this in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. I'm just happy. So I know the phone do not crash. So this is the back.
I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told I like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I be in one. Take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. A throw when you're not here. I'm saying I can't
So there's our fridge.
miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. Acting rude, I had to